This time on the Krusty Karb, we are getting power to the Mustang. Woo! All right, so I'm trying to figure out the relay board here. We already ran all the wires to the switch panel. We had a different variation of this going before, and I basically went through, kind of trimmed some of the fat, got rid of all of the unnecessary stuff that was on here. We had extra fuse distribution blocks and outputs and all of that stuff. It's been like months since we put this board together and pulled the old board apart. And so I'm kind of having trouble remembering what went where. We labeled everything, so that definitely helps. But I can't really remember what it all was. Either way, we'll figure it out. But yeah, so the relay board, we've got power coming in to our distribution block here. We've got this all fused off. All of these go to the switch. I did one main wire to the switch, and then those switches all come back to the relays, and then the relays obviously all go out to the power. So when you're doing this stuff, to make it as easy as possible, like I said, I just built this relay board. All of this stuff was just stuff I got off Amazon, pretty inexpensive, and it makes rewiring super easy. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna kind of reattach wires and hope it works. Now that we have all of these switch inputs in, these will trigger the relays, and then the relays will send power out. So let's start wiring up the relays. All right, it's time for 30 seconds of Krusty knowledge, and this is gonna be Krusty. So when it comes to powering stuff on a car, how does that work, right? Well, you apply power via your battery, right? So you've got your accessory here, whatever it is you want to power. You've got your battery, right? So what do you need for your accessory? You need power and you need ground. That's what you need to make it work. And of course your battery has power and ground on it, okay? But you don't want it to be constantly running. I mean, some things you do, but most of the stuff you don't want just constantly running, like your headlights, for example. You don't want them constantly running. So that's where a switch comes in. So you want to run power through your switch and then to your accessory. But sometimes you have accessories that take a lot of power, and you don't necessarily want to run all of that power through that switch. They're only rated for so much unless you get a big giant switch, which gets really expensive and all of that. So you run it through a relay. Now a relay is just an electronic switch. It's a switch that you flip with power. And again, what do we need to power stuff? Power and ground. Pretty easy stuff there. So what you end up doing is you run your power through your switch, then your switch goes to your relay, then your relay has a ground on it. It's got the input power from the switch, and then it has another power input, big power, and then the big power will come out and power your accessory, right? Pretty simple stuff. So basically the easiest and safest way to run something is run your power through a relay to your accessory, which is why I did the relay board and why that makes things so much easier. So this has been your 30 seconds of Krusty knowledge. Found more stuff that's labeled switch. But I don't know where it goes. Whatever. Okay, so ended up getting everything plugged into the relay board. Got all of the switch outputs, all of the switch inputs, we got all of the relay outputs, everything's plugged in. I know it is quite a mess in here, and once I know that everything works, we'll fix that. Don't worry, it's not gonna be this bad the whole time. It probably will be. But an easy way to test stuff, because again, I don't have battery back here, so I'm gonna show you a quick, simple, and easy way to apply power to this stuff and make sure that it's working and that we got it right. So let's jump to that real quick. Okay, so a quick and easy way to throw power to stuff when you don't have your battery and you just kind of want to test things. You can take one of these little jump boxes. I think I won this one at like a Christmas party or something years ago. And you can just throw power through these. It's super easy and super convenient. So I am going to hook up power over here because I don't have the full relay hooked up yet. And then I'm gonna hook ground up to my ground. This thing says we're hooked up correctly. So let's jump up front here, see if anything works. So I've got lights on my switch panel here, and we have power. Obviously none of this is hooked up yet to the actual like components that are, you know, making it work, but we have power and it's all working, which tells me that that was a great success. So like I said, if you need to throw some power onto something really quick and just to, you know, test things out or whatever, these little jump boxes are great for that. Okay, so I think that's where we're gonna call it for today. We ended up getting the entire relay board all wired in and even testing it, and all of that is working, which is awesome. Ended up getting the big relay wired and figured out which side is which, so that is working, which is awesome. So we're gonna leave the shop. It is cruise night tonight. Big officially unofficial event where everybody gets their old cars and bikes and stuff out and cruises Main Street. So we're gonna be heading over to kind of a charity event thing for a local animal shelter that they're doing, and we're gonna do some car spotting and stuff, so we'll bring you along for that. But this is it for the shop for today, so until next time, we'll see the Mustang here real soon. right, well, we made it. We are downtown on Main Street. It is cruise night. Basically the official, unofficial event where everybody gets their cars out and cruises Main Street. It's a pretty awesome deal. We're over at Veracity Motors. We've got Daryl's Barbecue out here hooking us up with some awesome ribs. These things look fantastic. I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy some ribs and watch some cool cars as they drive by. I think that's about it for this one. We're gonna get out on the streets and have some fun. Daryl's Barbecue was fantastic. Cruise night's a blast. We made a lot of progress on the Mustang too, so overall I'd say it was a pretty damn good day. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.